everyone, it's Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I wanted to bring you a really fun and simple braid look that you can try for Valentine's Day or for any other time of the year, but it's a really fun way to add a little special something to a standard braid look. So if you can do a braid, it's a very easy thing to do, a very easy hairstyle, but it looks much more high effort than it actually is. So let's go ahead and jump into this look. For this look, all you're going to need is some hair ties as well as a ribbon color of your choosing. Because I am doing this for a Valentine's Day look, I'm going with this beautiful pink color. The wig that I'm wearing is from the Muse collection. This is the style Allure Waves and the color Icy Petal, which is this beautiful kind of very light, almost platinum blonde looking color, but it has this beautiful, beautiful pink tone to it. And so it's absolutely perfect for a Valentine's type of look. And I thought the pink ribbon in this color would also complement that really nicely. I'm also using my René of Paris wide tooth comb, which is really fantastic for detangling your wigs, especially if they are curly or wavy styles like this one. I've already combed it out, but you can go ahead and just make sure it's nice and detangled before starting the hairstyling, and then it'll be much easier to braid the hair. First, you want to measure your ribbon about twice as long as the braid's going to be. So since I'm starting the braid from about here, I'm going to measure a little bit longer than twice that, just to factor in the amount of ribbon that we'll use to actually tie it. And then I'm also cutting a second ribbon of the same length. First, section off the part of the hair that you want to do a braid in. You can either just do this on a small braid, but I'm going to do just 2 braids coming towards the front. And then I'm going to tie it as if I'm doing a pigtail. Now take that ribbon, and exactly where the ribbon is in the middle, just go ahead and tie that around the top of the ponytail. I'm just tying it twice to make sure it doesn't slip. Now go ahead and separate your hair into the braid that you're going to do. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do a standard braid, just a 3-piece braid, but I'm taking those pieces of ribbon and putting them on different sections of the braid, just like this. And then secure your braid with another hair tie. I like to use these clear hair ties, that way they are totally invisible and it looks like your hairstyle is done completely with the ribbon. And now for the ribbon at the bottom, I'm just going to tie it around the hair tie and tie it into a bow. If your ribbon doesn't quite reach past the end of your hair, you can also just go ahead and tie that in place and then add another piece of ribbon to create the bow. And now let's go ahead and recreate that on the other side. And there you go, you have these really fun braids with that extra added element of the pink ribbon, just to make a simple hairstyle look a little bit more intricate. I'm also going to take another short piece of ribbon, one for each side, and I'm just going to tie that on top into a bow. You can skip this step, but if you like the bow look, this also adds a really cute touch. And here is the final look. This is really great for Valentine's Day with the pink ribbon, but of course you can do this to spice up any sort of braid look for any occasion. Let us know in the comments below what you think of this hairstyle and if you think you might try it out for yourself. If you want to learn more about this wig, which is Allure Waves, you can also read more information about it on our website, reneofparis.com, in the Muse section. It comes in a lot of beautiful different colors as well, and the Muse collection in general is just a really great place to look for some really fun styles and colors. Make sure you're following us on both YouTube and Instagram at René of Paris for more hairstyling tips and tutorials, as well as updates on all of our latest releases. We always have different collections coming out throughout the year. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.